When you're using a Git command, it's very common to forget what options are available to you. The correct spelling, syntax, order of parameters, etc. Here I'm going to demonstrate how to quickly show a brief summary of options for a Git command and, if you need, the full man page. I will demonstrate with the Git command diff, but this can be applied to any command when you can't remember the syntax. So here I have my shell. So we'll go git diff. Now for the brief summary, you're just going to do dash, some people call it tac, h, and they're going to hit enter. So it's very, very, very brief. Another command we can use is commit. Remember, dash h is a brief summary. So this one gives us a little bit more information. It's still very concise, but it'll give you some idea of what you need to input in case you forget. Now, if this is still not enough, you can get the full man page by doing tac tac or dash dash, then the full word help. And there you go, the full man page. And this will give you a lot more information if you need more details. So just to review, tac h is for a brief summary, and tac tac help is for the man page. Short and sweet, full man page.